Let's get started with morning review. If you chose to do this today, give yourself a pat on the back. If you want to compromise today, you can pick one page to do. You can either do this side or the back, and then just make sure you upload it for me on Seesaw. All right, let's get started. Make sure your name is at the top of the paper. And it says circle the contractions in each sentence. Remember, contractions are two little words that slam together, and when they do that, they lose a letter and they gain something called an apostrophe. So it says, it's careless to leave Blair's baseball where I'll trip on it. Okay, so the contraction, so we have it's is the same as it is. So this would be it is careless to leave Blair's. Now, Blair's is not a contraction. Blair's is showing ownership for the baseball. The baseball belongs to Blair. So this is not a contraction. Don't be fooled by that. That apostrophe just shows the ownership of the ball. Okay, so the other contraction would be I'll, where I will trip on it. Okay, so it is careless to leave Blair's baseball where I will trip on it. Make sense? Okay, so we've stands for we have never played so well, and it is all because you are here. So we have never played so well, and it is all because you are here. So there's the contractions there. Okay, so check your work with mine. Does that make sense? It says a contraction combines two words with an apostrophe to replace the missing letters. Okay, so we have air, and we noticed this earlier this week. So we're going to sort the spelling pattern air. So all the AIRs would go here. So don't be lazy. Don't draw a line. So scare. Make sure you're writing it in the box. Cross it off. Repair. Repair has a prefix, RE, at the beginning. We have chair. And we have spare, like a spare tire. Okay, so if you can spell the AREs, the airs, you should be able to spell or read the word glare. And remember, we talked about yesterday that glare means to look at someone in an angry way. So what does glare have to do with being mad at someone? Well, you look at them in an angry way. You're mad at them, right? You look at them in an angry way and you are mad at them. Or you're definitely not happy with them, we should say that. Okay, number 4 says, finish the sentence with the strongest synonym. Now, say the word synonym, and synonym sounds like same. They both have an S. So a synonym is a word that means the same as something else. So it says, all I can do is blank at the screen. Okay, so we could say all I could do is look, peek, or stare. Now what's this? It's asking for the strongest synonym. So I could put all of these words in there, but what's the strongest one? What's the word that makes the most vivid details or sense? And that would be stare. All I could do was stare at the screen. Synonym means almost the same thing, but some have a stronger meaning. Okay. It says use 2 numbers in each group to make 14. Well, 14 has a doubles fact, so this one should be pretty easy right away. 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay, so let's make another 14. Let's try 9 plus 8. So if we think about 9, well, 8 plus 8 is 16. So actually, if we go up, that would be 17, so that would not work. Let's do 9 and 5. So put 9 in your head, and let's count up by 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5 and 9. Number 6 says, write the number shown by the blocks. Remember, these big squares are hundreds blocks. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hundreds. And the sticks are tens. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. 5 tens is really 50. And there's 0 little tiny cubes, so no 1. So the number is 750. Okay, clocks. This should be pretty easy. It says count by 5s to tell how many minutes have passed. Now, I could count by 5 starting here at the 12. Or if I know that 6 is 30, couldn't I just go 30, 35, 40? 40 minutes have passed. Wouldn't that be faster, smarter math? Now, I could check my work by starting at the o'clock, and I could count all the way around. So let's do that by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So we were right. Blank minutes have passed since the hour. And how many minutes all the way around the clock? Because it's pointing at the o'clock. So we don't say 0 minutes. It's gone all the way around. Probably is what I'm guessing. So it would be 60 minutes. 60 minutes equals 1 whole hour. So if we want to check our work, we can count by 5s, or we can start here at 30. So we go 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, last one. And we'll flip it over on the back if you choose to do the back side. So it says there were 36 hares. Hares is another word for saying bunnies. 36 hares in the meadow. 12 hop away. So we're going to subtract. How many hares are still in the meadow? So we have 36 hares. 12 hopped away. So minus 12 equals, and here's our mystery number. So let's stack it up over here on the side. So 36 minus 12. 6 minus 2, 6. Minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. So there were 24 hares left in the field. Okay. If you are choosing to do both sides, go ahead and turn it over. If not, you can... Well, you got to take a picture of it anyways to turn it in. So make sure you take a picture, turn it in, and if you're going to join me for the back side, you can go ahead and turn it over and start on the back side with me. Okay, get started.